In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate the total surface area of a cube. Now, the total surface area simply refers to when we find the area of each outside face of the shape, and then we add all of those areas together. So to find the total surface area of this cube, we have to find the area of each of these outside faces that make up the cube, including the bottom face. And once we find the area of all of these faces individually, then we add them all up and we have our total surface area. Now, a cube obviously has the same length along each of its edges, as you can see indicated by these singular dashed lines. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down our formula, because that should be our first step in calculating any answer to a question. So the total surface area of a cube is 6L squared. Now you can find this on the Word document labelled total surface area formulas. I will link it in the description below as well. So first step, write down your formula, 6L squared. The L stands for length, okay? And each length in a cube is the same as I said before. So 11.3 is our length, or L, okay? So all we need to do now is substitute the length, which is 11.3, into our formula. So TSA equals 6. Now remember, when there are no gaps between something, there's an imaginary time sign. So times, and then L squared. Well, L is 11.3. So I put the 11.3 in where the L was. So this is coming from that part of the formula. 11.3 squared is the same as 11.3 times 11.3. Okay? But what I want you guys to do, like I say all the time, is to put what you see in your calculator. You're putting it in exactly as you see it. You're not changing anything. So what I'm going to do is 6 times and then 11.3 squared. So bracket 11.3 squared. And then you're going to press equals and you get 766.14. Our units are in meters. And even though we're calculating total surface area and not area of a 2D shape, it's still area at the end of the day, so this needs to be squared. So this is how we get full marks. Now, this formula actually allows us to substitute this value straight in as our length, instead of, like I said before, calculating the individual area of each one of these faces that make up a cube, so all 6 of these faces. We actually don't need to do them separately. That will obviously take up a lot of time. This formula allows for that to happen because we have 6 different faces and we square the length.